Hi, friend. Let's draw a cute saucepan with a ladle today. Repeat after me.